15.4 work together. All right, this is kind of a long work together, so I've done a little bit of the work ahead of time, and I'm going to scroll through some pages slowly. You can pause the recording as you need to and copy down what you need to, and then move on. But the first step says to post from the general journal. So you can see I have already posted all of these transactions from the general journal. So I filled in all of the post-reference amounts, and then we have the amounts posted in the ledger. So here's our allowance for uncollectible accounts and the new balance, merchandise inventory and the new balance, supplies office got posted, and here's our new balance, supplies store got posted, prepaid insurance, interest receivable, accumulated depreciation office equipment. So we add those credits together to get the new balance. Accumulated depreciation store equipment. Add the credits together to get the new balance. Income summary got posted. Depreciation expense office equipment. Depreciation expense store equipment. Insurance expense. Supplies expense office. Supplies expense store. Uncollectible accounts expense. Federal income tax expense got posted. And interest income got posted. So that was direction number 1 on page 462. And then it says to record all of the account balances except for federal income tax expense on an adjusted trial balance. So here is our adjusted trial balance, and we need our who, what, and when. So the who is Southside Electronics. The what is our adjusted trial balance. And the when is December 31st, 2020. So we need to go back to the general ledger and get each of these amounts. Instead of scrolling back and forth and making you dizzy, I'm just going to enter the amounts. So allowance for uncollectible accounts is $3,463.67. Merchandise inventory is $96,471.25. Supplies office is $548.00. Supplies store is $640.00. And notes receivable, prepaid insurance is $1,600.00. Interest receivable is $69.33. Accumulated depreciation office equipment is a credit for $4,545.00. And then accumulated depreciation store equipment is $16,004.00. We're not going to do federal income tax payable yet. We haven't calculated that yet. So now we need to go to the next page. And I need a heading again, my who, what, and when. So we'll get that at the top. And it is an adjusted trial balance. And it's December 31st. And then income summary is $1,625.94. And then depreciation expense office equipment is $2,150.00. Depreciation expense store equipment is $7,440. And remember, I got all of these from the general ledger. I just don't want to flip back and forth and confuse you guys or make you dizzy. And then insurance expense is $9,600.00. And then supplies expense office is $2,560.08. Supplies expense store is $3,843.62. And allowance or uncollectible accounts expense is $3,415.00. Federal income tax expense we haven't figured out yet. And interest income is $533.33. So now that was step 2. And then it says, using the tax table shown in the chapter, calculate the federal income tax owed for the fiscal year. So I need to go back to page 432. And the first thing I need to do is total the income statement credit accounts. So I'm going to go back to the adjusted trial balance and get my calculator. and I need to add up all of the credit column. So 3463.67 plus 4545 plus 16004 plus 4,462 and 21 cents plus 495.90 plus 594 plus 1266.80 plus 296.27 288.04 291.17 185.99 92.31 Oh, I can't believe this. Alright guys, I screwed up and I don't want to redo this whole thing because I was only supposed to do the accounts that are on the income statement, which would start with income summary. So, got to do our math over again here. So, we're doing the credit columns from income summary on down. So, 532, 371.75 plus 922.14 plus 1495.01 plus 533.33 Alright, so I discovered I made a mistake when I copied things over for income summary. That should have been in the credit column. I did have it in the debit column. So now when I add my numbers up again, 1625.94 plus 532, 371.75 plus 922.14 plus 1495.01 plus 533.33 equals 5,000 or 536,948.17. So we have to go back to page 432 and we have to enter that amount. So get my calculator again. It was 536,948. 536,948 and 17 cents. Now we have to add up all of the debit column. So we're going to go back to the adjusted trial balance. And now we have to add all of the debit column. So 218.10 plus 148.48 plus 223.174.88 plus 2182.81 plus 395.42 plus 2150 plus 7440 plus 9600 2382.80 12,797.20 plus 5,714.03 plus 115,364.38 plus 2560.08 plus 3843.62 3415 3973.68 and that's it. So now I can go back and I need to enter that amount on the next line. So that amount was $395, $360, $48. And then we need to subtract. So we're going to take 536, 948, 17. Oops. 536, 948, 17 minus 395, 360, 48. And that equals 141,587.69. And then we're going to come down here and fill this out. So our net income before federal income tax is 141,587.69. And that was, we want to take the amount over 100,000. So that is 41,587.69. And then from our book, we find out that the marginal tax rate, and that marginal tax rate chart is on page 458 in your textbook. 458. But it's 39%. So we have to take 41,587.69 times 0.39, and that equals 16,219, and we'll round up to 20. 16,219 and 20 cents. And then again, from page 250 or 458, we know the bracket minimum. So from the brackets below it, we're going to take 22,250 plus our marginal income tax, which is 16,219.20. And we add those two together. So 22,250 plus 16,219.20, and that equals 38,469.20. So that is calculating our taxes. And then we need to journalize and post the adjusting entry for federal income tax payable. So now we need to go back to our general journal, and on the way there, I want to, I shouldn't have filled that one in already. We're at 32,000 for our federal income tax. So when I get back to the journal here, on the 31st, we have federal income tax expense, and our calculator, we calculated 38,469.20. There was 32,000 already in there. So the adjustment is for 6,469.20. 6,469.20. And then our credit is to federal income tax payable for the same amount. 6,469.20. And then we need to post those to the ledger. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do that so you guys don't have to watch me posting. Okay, so now I have posted this last transaction. So you can see my post reference here. And then when I go to the general ledger, you can see I have it in here in the general ledger. And then I also have it under federal income tax expense in the general ledger. So the next step is to finish my adjusted trial balance. So federal income tax from the general ledger is 6,469.20. Oh no, what did I just do? All right, and then I gotta go down here and find federal income tax expense. And I have to put in that total from the ledger. So that was 38,469.20. And then the last thing we need to do is prove and total and rule. We're going to put in totals here. And we need a rule across there. And I'm not going to make you guys watch me add these columns up. So this column adds up to be 645, 531, and 99 cents. And now that I have the income summary in the right column, this side also adds up to 645,000, 531, oops, 531 and 99 cents. And since they equal, we can now do our double rule. And then we are done with 15.4. Sorry that was such a long one, guys. Go ahead and do that on your own, and the answer key will be posted. Good luck. Let me know if you need any help.